viewers, a warm welcome to you in today's episode of Youth Folio. Our episode today is packed with coverage of interesting events, sports, music, information on developmental activities and lots more. Watch on and enjoy.
Durga Puja celebrated with great festivity in the Northeast. Arunachal Pradesh protests against granting of citizenship to Chakmas and Hajongs. Assam Rifles gives training to unemployed youth in Nagaland. Business in dry fish is booming at Jagi Road, Assam. Pomai Nagas hold freshers meet in Delhi. Third Summer Sprint Challenge in Nagaland draws autocross and motocross enthusiasts to the state. The entire Northeast, especially the plain lands, erupted in joy, and festivity was in the air everywhere and among all communities as they joyously celebrated Durga Puja together from the 19th of October, Saptami Day, to the 22nd or the Dashami Day. In the Northeast, Durga Puja celebrations are in no way less in fervor or devotion than in West Bengal, which is considered to be the hot spot for puja celebrations. Here too, especially in Assam, Tripura and Meghalaya, one can see many artistically designed idols of the Mother Goddess and her children, who are gods and goddesses of the Hindu pantheon themselves. Ganesha, Kartikeya, Saraswati and Lakshmi along with their divine vehicles, besides demon Mahishasur. Even the pandals or the enclosures of the goddess are extremely eye-catching and unique, with each locality competing with the other in showing their creativity. The Mother Goddess is the embodiment of Shakti, and people in the Northeast worship her, asking for power to defeat all ills of society, mainly the miscreants and militants who have wreaked havoc on the beautiful Northeast.
विभिन्न संप्रदाय का लोग हम लोग सब लोग मिलजुल के एक भाईचारा प्यार मोहब्बत से हम लोग ये पूजा को शुरू किया थे और आज जाके हम लोग का ये 25-20 साल हो गया है और हम लोग चाहते हैं आज पूरे देश में जो मतलब आतंक का सृष्टि हो रहा है, हिंसा का सृष्टि हो रहा है, हम लोग चाहते हैं जो ये हम लोग धर्म शुभ यात्रा से हम लोग चाहते हैं जो पूरा देश में शांति हो, ताकि सब लोग आपस में भाईचारा रहे और देश में शांति कायम रहे।
ये पूरा बनाया है मिस्टर नूरुद्दीन अहमद, जो गुवाहाटी के आर्टिस्ट है, और अंदर में जो मूर्ति बनाए हुए हैं वो सारे स्पेयर पार्ट्स के हैं, टू व्हीलर गाड़ी के पार्ट्स है, उसी पार्ट्स में से हम लोग बनाया है। और उनका जो बेटा है मिस्टर दीप अहमद, उन्होंने ये कलाकारी दिखाई, और ये कलाकारी मुझे नहीं लगता है कि इंडिया में किसी ने भी किया होगा। तो महिषासुर को एक्चुअली क्या दिखाया कि करप्शन और टेररिज्म का मिली भगत महिषासुर को दिखाया। ठीक है, एक तो भगवान एक्चुअली क्या होता है, भगवान तो रूप में हम इंसान के रूप में आके ही सब कुछ किया है, तो हमने महिषासुर को उसी रूप में दिखाया कि जो हमारे देश की समस्या है करप्शन टेररिज्म, उसी रूप में हम लोग महिषासुर को दिखाया। और शेर को हम लोगों ने दिया है कि वो दुर्गा मैया का जो करना है, जैसे महिषासुर को दमन किया था, सुपर पावर देके हम लोगों शेर को यहाँ पे दिखाया है।
To further ensure a safe puja celebration and prevent miscreants from unleashing violence, just to make their presence felt during the auspicious time, the police intensified their vigil in all the states. In small state Tripura, for instance, one saw bomb squads with equipments and sniffer dogs checking all the areas near the puja venues. CCTVs and metal detectors were put up at every puja venue. Police posts were made atop so that there could be continuous vigil, and puja organizers were also told to ensure that nothing untoward happened in their own areas. People of the peaceful and picturesque northeast state Arunachal Pradesh are at present agitated over the recent 17th September verdict of the Supreme Court ruling for granting of Indian citizenship to the Chakmas and Hajongs in the state. The Chakmas and Hajongs had come to stay in Arunachal Pradesh in 1964 after being persecuted from Chittagong hill tracts of Bangladesh. They were granted refugee status. The present Supreme Court verdict, however, will change the status of these people to permanent. Arunachalis have been protesting in Arunachal Pradesh, Guwahati and Delhi since the verdict. A press conference on the same was held in New Delhi's Press Club of India on Saturday the 17th of October, wherein members of the All Arunachal Pradesh Students' Union, which has been in the forefront of the agitation, minced no words in saying that they want deportation of the Chakmas and Hajongs, as they feel that with around 1 lakh population, the two communities would together become the 4th largest community of Arunachal Pradesh if granted citizenship, which would affect the state and the people.
Chakmas and Hajongs are given settlement in Arunachal Pradesh. They will be 4th largest community in Arunachal Pradesh if at all these people are given permanent settlement in Arunachal Pradesh. Of the 26 major tribes, major community in Arunachal Pradesh, these people are going to be 4th largest community in Arunachal Pradesh. So it is no way acceptable for people of Arunachal Pradesh. Politically, economically, geographically and by demographically, our land is going to be very affected. So there is no any question of accepting them in Arunachal Pradesh.
The agitationists have submitted memorandum to the Prime Minister and Home Minister.
As a law-abiding citizen of the country and as a person, as an organization who believes in the system of the country, we had accepted to become a part of the Joint High Power Committee, which was formed by the Ministry of Home Affairs, and it was headed by the Joint Secretary of Northeast NE2 under the Ministry of Home Affairs. And they had told us that they will try to bring an amicable solution through this Joint High Power Committee, in which even the Chakmas and Hajongs were also made a member. But now, without taking into cognizance the decision of the Joint High Power Committee, which is yet to come out, the Supreme Court has given this verdict. So it is like a shock to us.
Calling themselves integral part of India and wearing t-shirts saying, "Are we not Indians?" the protesters implored the government to take care of citizens first and foreigners and refugees later.
हम लोग ने गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को ये मैसेज दिया है कि चकमा और हजंग को रिपोर्ट करना है अरुणाचल से। अरुणाचल में कोई भी प्रकार का हम लोग सिटीजनशिप को नहीं मानता है। चकमा और हजंग रिफ्यूजी को अगर सिटीजनशिप देगा तो अरुणाचल के वासी हेडेड बाय ऑल अरुणाचल प्रदेश स्टूडेंट यूनियन हम लोग एक टफ स्ट्रेटजी लेगा कि इंडिया गवर्नमेंट को हम लोग एक मैसेज देगा कि आइदर यू चॉइस रिफ्यूजी और यू चॉइस द इंडियन पीपल।